If you thought that only gun-powered weapons could be dangerous, think again, because the weapons that I will show you rely on alternative sources of power for their strength and destructive capabilities. Here are the top 11 weapons that don't need gunpowder. And we will start with one of the most powerful and accurate air rifles on the market. This air rifle is capable of shooting projectiles at incredible speeds and with pinpoint precision. The rifle is available in 3 barrel lengths: 32, 24, and 16 inches. It is chambered in .72 caliber and has a massive firepower of 1500 FPE. This is a truly powerful and versatile weapon that can be used for various purposes, including long-range shooting, hunting, and tactical applications. Get ready to witness the sheer madness of a laser weapon that pushes the boundaries of power. This mind-blowing creation combines the might of one 8,000 milliwatt laser beam from a laser pistol, with 8 smaller lasers totaling an astonishing 20 watts. The exact power rating falls between 20 and 25 watts, as the creator has ingeniously driven the lasers with currents exceeding their intended limits. 6 9-volt alkaline batteries have been harnessed to fuel this extraordinary firepower, delivering an astounding 8 amps of raw energy. Brace yourself for a demonstration of unparalleled laser strength and witness the intense display of this unconventional weapon. This extraordinary tool takes the original circular pocket shot design and elevates it to new heights, transforming it into a fully functional sling bow that propels full-size arrows at an impressive speed of up to 175 FPS. Designed for power and effectiveness, this kit includes everything you need to shoot arrows with the pocket shot. With components like the Pro Arrow Pouch, pocket hammer, black arrow cap, pocket shot inner ring and cap, and arrow release trigger, you'll have the ultimate setup for precision and accuracy. The pocket shot arrow kit comes with 3 takedown arrows, but its compatibility extends to any full-size arrow measuring 29 inches or longer. Remember that lighter arrows offer superior shooting performance. And keep in mind that this is definitely not a toy. This remarkable weapon combines sheer power, impeccable precision, and advanced technology to deliver an awe-inspiring performance. With a firing rate of up to 13 rounds per second and velocities reaching an impressive 75 meters per second, this is one dangerous weapon that should not be underestimated. What sets the EMG-2 apart is its clever design, featuring 10 stages in total. 8 of these stages are computer optically controlled, while the remaining 2 are booster stages. This makes it a medium voltage capacitor augmented coil gun that surpasses anything in its class. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Arcflash Anvil, the EMG-2 doubles the power output, boasting an impressive 266 joules of energy delivered precisely to the target. The FX Panthera Hunter Compact is an impressive air rifle specifically crafted for hunting purposes. It offers a smaller and lighter build compared to its original counterpart, while retaining the same patented technology that made the longer model highly successful. Featuring a shortened FX Smooth Twist X superior barrel, this rifle delivers exceptional accuracy and consistency in every shot. The reversible side lever ensures smooth operation, allowing for quick and efficient handling. With a 300cc carbon fiber bottle, the rifle offers ample air capacity for extended shooting sessions. The Byrna TCR is a versatile and dependable magazine-fed launcher designed for home defense and recreational purposes. It has a compact, realistic military appearance that is simple to customize or upgrade using the 4 Picatinny rails that come standard. The TCR stands 8.5 inches, or 21.6 centimeters tall, has a magazine capacity of 12 rounds, a magazine capacity of 7 rounds, and is powered by 12 grams CO2. It has a maximum range of 125 feet and a muzzle velocity of more than 300 feet per second. The TCR is semi-automatic and equipped with a crossbolt safety. The Excalibur Twinstrike is a crossbow with 2 sets of limbs and 2 barrels. This allows you to take 2 shots in quick succession. It has dual match grade, 4-pound frictionless triggers. The front trigger fires the top rail, and the second trigger fires the bottom rail within milliseconds. This means you can take a quick second shot almost immediately after the first. It has a velocity of 360 FPS, which is considered quite fast for a crossbow. It is undeniably a powerful weapon, capable of delivering 2 quick shots. To avoid accidents and ensure the user's safety, a crossbow cannot fire unless a bolt is loaded. A Fenris-equipped bow is neither a crossbow nor a bow. It is a completely new arrow weapon category, though it is legally classified as a vertical bow. It's less difficult to learn than a crossbow, and it takes much less time to get ready to shoot than a bow. No other arrow weapon provides these benefits. It is very easy to fire all 5 arrows in less than 5 seconds. The Fenris is a sturdy, feather-light, and precise accessory that fits most modern bows. The shooter achieves a high level of accuracy and marksmanship in the shortest amount of time, as well as an incredibly fast shot sequence with little training effort. The magazine can be quickly detached for transport. With a removable arrow rest and an open riser, the Fenris is suitable for most bows. It is not appropriate for bows with shoot-through risers. The Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 is a game-changer because it provides you with a double-barrel PCP air archery rifle capable of taking down even the most competitive game. Building on the legacy of the previous model, this upgraded version allows you to experience the thrill and adventure of big game hunting in a way that was previously unavailable. You'll notice right away that this Arrow air rifle has 2 barrels. With a PCP arrow gun, you can load 2 arrows and get the fastest follow-up shot possible. Simply fire the first arrow, then use the simple thumb barrel selector switch to fire the second arrow. You get 2 quick shots that are extremely accurate and powerful. The AirSaber Elite X2 has a 240cc onboard tank and will fire 25 shots at lethal velocity from its barrels for big game. The first 5 shots will all have a velocity of more than 450 feet per second and a force of 130 pounds. Actuated nail guns are extremely useful and powerful tools that make any type of manual labor easier and faster, but only when used as intended. And with a little tweaking, this can be turned into a lethal weapon. And I must warn you not to try this at home because this tool has the potential to cause serious injury. It operates in a straightforward manner. You can fire it once you've loaded it with the nail. However, this type of tool has a safety switch and will not fire unless it is pressed down on a solid object. That's why you see these little modifications to get around the safety switch and fire the projectile. However, these modifications can make it extremely dangerous and should never be attempted. This high-quality slingshot rifle offers an array of impressive features that ensure an exceptional hunting experience. First and foremost, the Flymars, a hunting slingshot rifle, is a certified quality product, meticulously crafted with smooth metal surfaces and fine workmanship. One standout feature is the slingshot fork lines, which are arc-chamfered to prevent any damage to the rubber band sets. Equipped with solid double tracks that slide effortlessly thanks to internal bearings, this slingshot rifle offers smooth and precise shooting. The rubber bands boast an impressive pulling distance of 70 centimeters, enabling powerful and accurate shots. One of the standout safety features of this slingshot rifle is the double shooting insurance provided by the trigger and safe key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.